Madhumangal was there with Krishna. And when Krishna and other friends were having these pastimes, Madhumangal understood that in order to be in this assembly, I have to share. I have to share. This is the law. If I have to be around Krishna's friends, I have to share. But I will share everything except prasad. Madhumangal can share everything except prasad. Madhumangal is such a personality, he will not share an inch from his plate. He will eat from other plates, but he doesn't want to share anything. So when Madhumangal got to know that sharing is caring, everyone is sharing, Madhumangal had brought a big bottle of buttermilk. What do you call buttermilk in Telugu?
Majjiga.
Majjiga. He had brought majjiga. He had brought big bottle of majjiga. And he saw everyone is sharing. But now Madhumangal is not in a mood to share. He opens the bottle, starts putting everything inside. The mouth is only this small. They are all small. But starts stuffing everything inside his mouth. And when Krishna looks at Madhumangal, Madhumangal is buttermilk inside, not ready to give Krishna, not ready to give anyone. I have to only drink. When Krishna sees that Madhumangal is drinking buttermilk all by himself, Krishna goes there and Krishna smashes the cheeks of Madhumangal and all the buttermilk comes out. When the buttermilk comes out, Krishna opens his mouth. Krishna drinks the juta of Madhumangal. The Lord of all lords, the creator of all creators, the origin of all origins, the source of all sources. He who in the Bhagavad Gita says, Mattha parataram nanyat, there is no one greater to me. He is opening his mouth and drinking juta. And Madhumangal is also not feeling that it is some aparad. If we give our juta by mistake, leave alone to Krishna, if by mistake some devotee has our juta, we feel so guilty. We feel, arey aparad ho gaya. I did some aparad, mera juta kha liya. Madhumangal is giving his juta and Madhumangal is standing with his chest upright. He is like, so what? Have my juta. The more juta you will have, the more love you will develop for me. Have. Krishna is having. When Krishna has the juta of Madhumangal, Brahmaji is saying from above, what is going on? He is God? God is drinking juta? He is Yagya Bhuk. Krishna has a name called as Yagya Bhuk. What is it?
Yagya Bhuk.
Krishna is called Yagya Bhuk because Krishna eats only from the yagyas. Only when mantras and tantras and etc. different mantras are chanted. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda Sarva Karanagaram Swaha. Krishna's Yagya Bhuk. We can see Srivas Gauranga Prabhu chanting. And nowadays, last time Sridhar Gopal Prabhu was there, Ramukund Prabhu was there. Huh? They are all pandits. Huh? We have many dvijas now in the assembly. Recent recruit, acha. Entry level job hai. So Krishna is called as Yagya Bhuk. He eats only from the yagyas. And only when mantras are chanted, in a proper vidhi they are given, that's when Krishna eats. Brahmaji is thinking to himself, there is no vidhi here. There is no mantras that are chanted. Krishna is sitting cross-legged, with flute tucked to one side, with bugle and horn to another side to call the cows and calves. And Krishna in his right hand, Vishwanath Chakravarti says, Krishna in his right hand has yogurt and curd. Yes, perugu. Very good. Next time Marathi मध्ये बोलो. Nitin Prabhu is also there. So he has perugu in his hand. He has yogurt. And he has rice. What do you call yogurt and rice together?
Perugannam.
Perugannam. Perugannam. He has perugannam in his hand. He has yogurt and rice.
This is instant.
I have got so much Telugu you don't know. I can defeat you in the Telugu class now. So he had perugu Perugannam. He had yogurt and rice in one hand, and in his left hand, Krishna has pickle. But not normal pickle. Krishna has amla pickle. Krishna is also, he wants taste. He has amla pickle. Amla pickle, in between his fingers there is amla pickle. Little he has kept, and lemon pieces here, and rice here. So little he takes amla pickle, puts it on his rice and yogurt and eats. Even Krishna doesn't eat just yogurt rice. Like, he has nice combinations.